Ready for adventure?
Let's go, Roblox Master!
To the top!
We're here! We're here! We're here! So, this is another day of the BloxyPros.
And we're gonna be making a banana bread loaf.
I was about to say.
That's basically a cake.
Anyway.
Okay, so we're gonna start by breaking the banana.
Logan.
We're gonna use a fork.
This reminds me of
That's not necessary.
reminds me of my old dog Miko. Since that looks like dog food. Since we all loved him and he kept peeing on the floor. We still love him about that. And seriously, that was one of my best moments in my life.
Oh.
What are you doing? You're just scrambling some eggs while making a heartfelt moment?
I was smashing the bananas.
Bruh.
I washed my hands before doing this, don't worry.
Me too.
And you should wash your hands now.
You're supposed to say, are you even listening?
I ain't even listening.
Okay, no.
I just do
We're gonna need to do already a whisk. Anyways,
Can I do the egg now?
yeah, you have to
Open up the eggs.
you have to crack the eggs.
One.
Okay, you count. You do. We each do one egg. Okay. First, Lincoln goes. Oh, okay.
Remember, they don't go inside. The yolk goes inside. The yolk
There you
goes
go.
inside.
Okay, now put
That
this
goes inside.
over here in the Abby's butt.
Yeah.
Okay, Logan, you go.
Oh my god! He got egg on me. Bro got egg on me.
The poor chickens.
Can I do it again?
No, it's my turn.
And then me again?
I gotta choose which egg I want.
Just go! That's
so
so strenuous.
There's still a little bit of yolk. Ew.
Put it in the garbage. Not the thing. The garbage. The garbage. Okay, now I'm gonna crack my
That's much better.
Then crack one more.
No.
See, that was good. Let me crack it.
Okay. Well, looks like we're gonna have another egg in this.
Bruh. This is gonna be a double egg cheeseburger, like Big Mac sized. We'll put a picture up on screen of what a Big Mac from McDonald's looks like. Anyway,
Okay.
what are we gonna do next?
Wait, I can't
All
look at
yours.
So now, guys.
Okay.
So now we're gonna whisk the eggs. No, we're gonna put the water in first.
And then the water.
And then
Here goes the water with a little bit of egg.
And who wants to whisk?
Me. No, me. I have to.
Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, catch a tiger by the tail. If he hollers at the goat. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. You get to whisk.
Bruh.
Don't whisk too hard.
Don't whisk too hard.
Got it.
Just a little smush. Smush it a little bit.
Okay, no.
And now mix it like sturdily. That's it, fans.
Time to Logan. Logan, it's your turn to turn and whisk.
Now it's throwing the
Okay.
oil.
No, don't put the oil yet.
Let me put it in there and then I want to put the oil in.
Yeah.
I want to put the oil in.
That smells delicious.
We're doing 1, 2, 3, 4 with a little bit of egg inside out.
Your turn. Your turn.
No. Don't do that, guys.
Okay. All the way to 8 cups.
Okay, so now
Now
we have to put the oil in.
I want to put
Wait,
the
the
oil
oil
in.
is
Stop.
That's avocado chowder you're looking at right there. That's avocado chowder.
Okay.
Wow.
Can I put that in?
Nope.
No, I mean it from in there.
So there's supposed to be like half a cup.
Okay,
Let me do it.
pour it in. Just
I'll-
everything.
The entire thing. Don't even think about it. It'll taste great at the end.
Now let's stir some more.
Oh, sorry.
Don't stir too hard.
Okay, so there. Now that we have that, we have to
Put in that.
Okay, we have to.
Okay, I'm back. I was just gone for a second.
I'll be right back.
You want to do it, Logan?
Wait, what?
You want to pour this inside there?
Yes.
You want to put this inside there? Okay, it might be a little heavy, but here, I'll help you. Okay. Wait, oh shoot, we forgot the bread.
It's gonna turn into bread. I thought it was gonna turn into bread.
Okay, now, so we have to
Pour that in.
pour it back in.
Back in. Okay,
Don't use knives at home, guys.
My bad. I forgot. I knew something was missing.
The entire thing is like, ow! This part is open. You're dead. Can I put it in?
No.
smells like the banana eggs that my mom gives me.
They're real. Right? Eat.
And it goes to spoil them.
The Nigerian are really good.
I'm supposed to add little by little, but forget that.
Yeah.
That's just that entire thing. No, Skippy plus that's good.
Okay. I wanna go.
No. I'm gonna make
Which all? Can I take turns?
Yes.
I'm always.
Wait, I gotta wait.
I'm always after Addison. Yeah.
No, I'm whisking after Addison.
Then me.
Yeah,
This looks so good.
Okay.
That smells really good.
Woo!
Good, Mom. What's this hard you can't buy?
Okay, smushy.
Smushy.
Smush.
Okay.
Whee. Mix them. I'm basically just gonna mix it like that.
Okay. I'm gonna make it one more time to make sure it's good. Make sure there's no lumps.
That looks very good.
Yeah, you guys should stay until the end to see what it looks like.
Yes.
And at the end, Mabel will even let you have some.
Yeah.
Wait, there's still some left.
Okay.
Wow!
Still some left.
Ow!
Oh man.
There's still some left. Oh, that's it.
My hands are full of eggs when I touch this.
Just put it in the garbage. I'll just put it in the garbage.
Yeah, it's put in the garbage.
Shoot, I forgot. I need to add this.
Super hard to take it out, guys.
My arm's getting tired.
Can I do it?
No.
If your arm gets too tired.
Too tired. Oh yeah, guys, that reminds me of a joke I made. Why was the bike tired? Like exhausted. It was too tired.
Because the tires run out of air when they get popped.
Something like that. Okay, so guys, come here.
Okay.
We're going to
Put it in the baby microwave.
the baby microwave.
Yeah, that's what's called.
Baby wave.
Baby oven, whatever it is. No, put in me. Okay. You're not going in. This is going in. Oh yeah.
I got the ninja thing ready.
Ninja.
Yeah, it's literally says ninja on the top.
We just finished mixing all the ingredients in, and if you want, you can add some nuts, any type of nuts if you want. But we don't like nuts in in our banana bread, so we're not gonna add that. My parents just preheated the oven, and so we're just gonna pop it in there, and we'll come back when it's done.
Dude, woo! Me. We're back. We're back.
We're back! We just finished making the cake. How many pieces are you gonna have, Linky?
10.
10.
All of it.
All of it? How many pieces are you gonna have, Logan?
4.
4, that's it?
No, 10. No, 10.
Okay. I'm gonna have all of it. How much do you want? Hope you like this video. Bye!
We're here. We're here.
We're here!
We're here.
We're here! We're here! So today we are going to be making
A cake.
All right.
Here. We're here.
No, you started too early.
We're here. We're here.
we're here!
Linky, you started too early.